For years, drivers have believed one number was the perfect tire pressure: 32 PSI. You see it everywhere, at gas stations, air pumps, even from other drivers giving advice. But here's the truth. That magic number could actually be wearing out your tires faster, hurting your fuel economy, and even making your car less safe to drive. And the worst part? Most people have no idea they're doing damage every single day. Today, we're exposing the truth about tire pressure, the hidden dangers of using the wrong PSI, and how to find the correct tire pressure for your vehicle in less than 2 minutes. Because this tiny maintenance check can save you money, improve safety, and make your tires last thousands of miles longer. Welcome back to Auto Care Secret, the channel where we expose hidden car problems, reveal simple maintenance tricks, and help you save money before expensive repairs happen. Section 1. The biggest tire pressure myth. Let's clear something up immediately. There is no universal tire pressure. Not every vehicle is supposed to run at 32 PSI. That number became popular over the years, but it completely ignores important factors like vehicle weight, suspension design, tire size, load capacity, driving conditions. Think about it. Would a compact sedan use the exact same tire pressure as a heavy SUV or pickup truck? Obviously not. Yet millions of drivers still inflate every tire to 32 PSI without checking what their car actually needs. And that's where the problems start. Section 2. What wrong tire pressure actually does. Here's what happens when your tire pressure is too low. Every time the tire rotates, the sidewalls flex slightly. That's normal. But when the pressure drops below the recommended level, the tire flexes far more than it should. And excessive flex creates heat. A lot of heat. Over time, that heat weakens the tire internally. The rubber begins breaking down. The inner layers can start separating. And eventually, the tire becomes much more likely to fail. The dangerous part is that most of this damage happens inside the tire where you can't see it. Everything may look normal from the outside, until suddenly it isn't. Section 3. Warning signs you should never ignore. Even though internal tire damage is hidden, your car usually gives warning signs before things get serious. Watch for these symptoms: uneven tire wear, excessive wear on the outer edges, poor fuel economy, heavy or sluggish steering, longer braking distances, tires looking slightly squashed at the bottom. One of the biggest warning signs is edge wear. When the pressure is too low, the outer shoulders of the tire carry more weight and wear down faster than the center. That means your tires wear out thousands of miles earlier than they should. That's literally money disappearing every time you drive. Section 4. How to find the correct tire pressure. Now let's fix the problem properly. Step 1. Open your driver's door. Look for a sticker on the inside door frame. This is called the Tire and Loading Information Sticker. Think of it as your vehicle's tire pressure blueprint. Step 2. Read the recommended PSI. You'll see the exact pressure recommended for the front and rear tires. Those numbers were chosen by engineers specifically for your vehicle. This is the pressure you should follow, not random advice online or at the gas station. Step 3. Ignore the number on the tire sidewall. This confuses a lot of people. Your tire sidewall also has a PSI number printed on it. But that number is not the recommended pressure. It's simply the maximum pressure the tire can safely handle. Filling your tires to that number can make the ride harsh, reduce traction, and cause uneven wear. Step 4. Check tires when they're cold. Always measure tire pressure when the tires are cold. That means before driving, or after the car has been parked for at least 2 to 3 hours.
Why?
Because driving heats the air inside the tires, increasing the pressure and giving you a false reading. Step 5. Use a real tire gauge. Don't guess. Use a proper tire pressure gauge, digital or manual. Check every tire individually. And yes, check the spare tire too if your vehicle has one. Step 6. Adjust to the correct PSI. Add or release air until each tire matches the recommended PSI from the door sticker. That's it. Simple, fast, and incredibly important. Section 5. Why correct tire pressure matters. When your tires are inflated properly, everything improves. Better traction, shorter stopping distances, longer tire life, improved fuel economy, smoother ride quality, safer handling. Remember, your tires are the only part of your car touching the road. And that contact patch is smaller than most people realize. If the tire pressure is wrong, your control, grip, and safety are all compromised. So next time you stop at a gas station, don't automatically punch in 32 PSI and drive away. Thanks for watching Auto Care Secret. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car care tip. We upload simple, useful videos that help you protect your car, avoid costly mistakes, and drive smarter every day. Stay safe, take care of your car, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Auto Care Secret.